I'm going to actually throw this one to you, Liesl, because this is a question that we got from some of the younger people, and it was about how much should I have already? So I'm 41. How much should I have already for retirement, and how much should I be contributing? I think that's a very good question for a 41-year-old to ask.
Yeah. So, I mean, you remember, Maya, that I spoke about that replacement ratio earlier and planning for a 75% replace. If you're about 41, so I'm not 100% sure the salary of this person, but you should roughly be at 4 times your current salary at the moment. Yeah.
4 times, and then I suppose you've just got to, how much of the if you're putting away 15% of your after or before tax, what percentage of your salary should you be putting away then?
Well, you remember that I mentioned earlier that you could actually put away up to 27.5% of your salary. So always a good idea. If you've got something extra, you could either increase your percentage that you're contributing to your retirement fund or your occupational fund, or if you've got a retirement annuity, also then put some extra money into there.